Morning students, today I am going to discuss the question answers of lesson 4 agriculture, the back exercises, page 48. Which of the following describes a system of agriculture where a single crop is grown on a large area? Answer will be plantation agriculture, B option. Second is there, which of the following is a rabi crop? Gram, that is B option. Then which of the following is a leguminous crop? Pulses, A option. Then which of the following is announced by the government in support of a crop? Minimum support price, that is B option. Now short question answers of 30 words. Question 2 part 1. Name one important beverage crop and specify the geographical conditions required for its growth. You can write tea or coffee. If you are writing tea, then page number 40. It is better you write tea only. Name one staple crop of India and regions for its production. You can write wheat also, rice also. If you write wheat, then it is 38 and then rice 36. Enlist the various institutional reforms programs introduced by the government in the interest of farmers. Question 2 part 3, it is there in institutional reform page 43 44. Then question 2 part 4, the land under cultivation has got reduced day by day. Can you imagine its consequences? Reduction of crop production, unemployment, poverty, reduction of GDP, then starvation. These are the important factors or consequences that can be seen if the crop production is being reduced. Okay. Now question 3 part 1. Suggest the initiative taken by the government to ensure increase in agricultural production. It is given in page 43 only. Page 43. Describe the impact of globalization on agriculture. I have given the notes, or you can refer it from page 46 and to 47. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. Page 36. Okay, in the previous question, question number 2 part 2, staple crop, you write about wheat because they have given a separate question for rice in question 3 part 3. So here you write about rice only, page 36. Then let us discuss the quiz questions. Two staple crop of food crop of India, wheat and rice. This is a summer cropping season of India, Kharif cropping season. Pulses like arhar, moong, gram, urad contains protein. It is a coarse grain, millets. Two important beverages in India are tea and coffee. One of the four major fiber grown in black soil is cotton. Now let us do the map work. Okay, let us do the map work. First you will write about major food crops grown in India. Major food crops here grown in India, and you have to mark only the leading producer states. For wheat you will mark Punjab. Okay, for wheat you will mark Punjab. Then sugarcane you will mark UP. Rice you will mark West Bengal. Then maize you will mark Karnataka. These four states you will mark it as a leading producer state for the following crops. Map number 2, beverages. Major tea producing state West Bengal, and then coffee you will mark it Karnataka. Tea West Bengal and coffee Karnataka. Now next you will write millets. Millets you will mark bajra in Rajasthan, jowar in Maharashtra, and ragi in Karnataka. Then commercial crops. Commercial crops, jute you will mark West Bengal, cotton you will mark Gujarat, and rubber you will mark Kerala. And regarding the dams, I have already given you, uploaded it. Okay, so you will mark that dams only, like Salal in Jammu and Kashmir, Bhakra Nangal in Punjab, Tehri in Uttarakhand, Rana Pratap Sagar in Rajasthan, Rihand in UP, Sardar Sarovar in Gujarat, Tungabhadra in Karnataka, Nagarjun Sagar in Andhra Pradesh, Hirakud in Odisha, Periyar in Kerala, and Meteor in Tamil Nadu. This correction you do it, Meteor in Tamil Nadu. Okay, please do this map work in the loose map and paste it in your copy. And if you are knowing the connected pages, then you can do it in the map sheet also. But kindly paste it in your map, loose map in your copy, geography copy, and do the question answers also. Okay, thank you. And copy should be updated.